Today, we're bringing you the biggest and baddest forestry machines on the planet. These powerful giants are changing the game. Let's see what they can do. Another giant falls, marking the passage of time in the forest. This ancient cedar has weathered countless seasons, standing tall through generations. Now, its journey takes a new turn as it's harvested to serve a different purpose.
Get myself some tea here. Oh, there she goes. That was awesome.
What if that lands on you, Brian? Huh? What if that lands on you?
It won't. It's gonna land on you.
How do you know?
Oh no!
Can you believe this guy? Glad he's all right, but seriously, what was he thinking? The sleeveless shirt? Hopefully, he'll be more careful in the future. Holy smokes! That Valmet 840.3 is an absolute beast. Navigating that treacherous terrain with such finesse, the operator's got skills, no doubt. That machine's power is something else. It's like watching a symphony of engineering conquer the impossible. Looking for a stump grinder that's both compact and powerful? Look no further than the Carlton 6016. This self-propelled machine is a game changer, delivering unmatched performance in tight spaces. Say goodbye to backbreaking labor and hello to effortless stump removal. New Zealand, a land of natural wonders, where the forestry sector thrives year-round thanks to the remarkable radiata pine. The Kangaroa and Murupara timber yards are a sight to behold, bustling with activity and dominated by these colossal logging trucks. And let's not forget the intricate transportation network, the backbone of this industry, ensuring a seamless flow of resources and fueling economic prosperity. Never underestimate the power of trees. Always have an escape route planned, because when they fall, they will be very unpredictable. This Hypro FG45F. A tree shear is a game changer, and at $17,999, it's a steal. Fully automated, it makes tree felling and processing look effortless. Built tough with high-quality materials, it's ready for any challenge. Its versatility allows it to work with a variety of cranes, making it perfect for both forestry and urban environments. Impressive engineering all around. Wow, this truck is a beast. The power is absolutely insane. And these guys, they're pushing it to the limit. It's exhilarating to watch. Looking for the ultimate log splitting machine? Look no further than the Fendu's 80. With an incredible 80 tons of splitting force, this workhorse effortlessly handles logs up to 31 inches in diameter. Enjoy the convenience of a hydraulic adjustable splitting grid and optional log lift for maximum productivity. And with its wireless remote operation, the Fendu's 80 puts you in complete control. Never assume a fallen tree is safe. It's like a ticking time bomb. You don't know the extent of the internal stress until it explodes. This poor guy learned that the hard way. Ever wonder how they clear land for development in Florida? Well, feast your eyes on this. A Menzie Muck Spider excavator, equipped with a ProMac LDM 50 brush mulcher, makes palm tree removal look like child's play. This is efficiency at its finest. The Woodpecker, RP300, is a beast. This chipper can handle branches up to 220 millimeters in diameter, making quick work of any job. Its hydraulic feeding system and 3-meter conveyor belt ensure efficient material processing. Safety is a priority with a protective switch, so you can rely on the RP300 for all your large-scale projects. Prices range from $11,800 to $12,000, depending on the vendor and financing options. Is this luck or skill, everyone? If you found our video interesting, drop a 1 in the comments below. This Woodland Mills WG24 stump grinder makes quick work of any stump. Paired with the Coyote CK2610 and a rear-view camera, it's incredibly efficient and easy to maneuver. You can really see the difference that the right tools make. Timber transport by rail harkens back to a bygone era, yet offers modern advantages. Picture colossal freight trains traversing vast woodlands, their engines' rhythmic chug echoing through the trees. This method not only reduces highway congestion and fuel consumption, but also minimizes the environmental impact associated with trucking. Truly, each train carries the essence of the forest itself. The M1070 HET, a beast. Mil-spec DNA gives it the backbone to haul 250,000 pounds like it's nothing. C-channel frame, top-tier suspension. This thing laughs at rough terrain. Not just a truck, it's a statement. In heavy logging, the M1070 is unmatched power and dependability. You know, life is always fair. These two were given luck to make up for their clumsiness.
Yeah.
Whoa! This Meber VTZ 1400 Plus sawmill is insane. It's got a huge 56-inch blade and can cut through giant logs like butter. The 19-degree tilt thing is awesome, and it moves so smoothly with those hydraulics. This thing's a beast. It's not just cutting wood, it's like wood surgery. Plywood production is a fascinating blend of art and science. Woodland's process, from veneer layering to precision cutting, highlights the meticulous craftsmanship behind this versatile material. It's remarkable how such intricate steps ensure both strength and a flawless finish. Folks, this isn't just a cedar. It's a giant, a monument to nature's strength. 10 feet wide? That's a monster, not a tree. Look at the lumberjack next to it. He's tiny. David versus Goliath, right? But this isn't a slingshot win. This is skill. This is guts. Just a 42-inch bar and axe, he conquered a legend. That's a true logging master. It's not just men who can conquer trees. This girl, with her skillful technique and unwavering determination, has completely mastered her chainsaw and triumphed over this enormous tree. I'm definitely impressed. The mere thought of transporting extremely long logs with a payload of up to tens of tons makes me shake my head in dismay. Not only the weight, but also the bumpy dirt roads, harsh weather, and difficult turns pose significant challenges for the drivers. A camera captured a terrifying table saw accident. By learning from this mistake, we can help prevent similar accidents in the future. He's a master with that machine. Steady pulls, coaxing the stump out. It fights back, but the Massey Ferguson 265 won't give up. The chain strains, a dangerous dance. One wrong move, and it's a disaster. But he knows what he's doing. The stump finally gives. A victory for man and machine. Whoa, that skidder operator is a true pro. But Hold on a second. Why isn't he using the winch? This seems like a lot of unnecessary struggle. Did you see that? I can't believe they pulled that off. I know people who would be struggling just to make a three-point turn there. That driver's got some serious skills. They must know every inch of that truck. Guys, check out this video. Would you ever attempt to drive on a road like this? I think I'd need a sedative just to be a passenger. In the event of barber chairing, the tree's fall can be unpredictable and extremely dangerous. Always prioritize safety by maintaining a 45-degree angle retreat path from the stump and anticipated fall direction.
Starting to lift. Lift it going. Going.
With just 3 mason's props and a 2-ton pulley, you can easily tackle stubborn tree stumps. This simple yet effective method saves time and effort, making stump removal a breeze for DIY enthusiasts and pros alike.
Yeah?
Oh my God! You have got to see this SP661LF harvester head in action. I'm telling you, it was like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The way it moved, so smooth and precise, it was like it had a mind of its own. Huge branches, just sliced and stripped clean, no mess, no fuss. I am confident that you will be deeply impressed upon seeing the Scania R650 V8 Next Gen. With its elegant design, powerful engine, and comfortable cabin, the R650 provides everything necessary for the ultimate driving experience. Are you now ready to acquire one for yourself? This dinosaur-like machine is the Schepser, a mobile debarker from Germany. There's no need to elaborate on its productivity. Just watch this video, and you'll undoubtedly be impressed by its excellent, mind-blowing efficiency. This Senebogen 870M loads timber like a champ, even in heavy snow. Forget those slow truck cranes. This machine is worth every penny of its $81,000 price tag. See it in action and be amazed. Wow, I didn't think standing next to a falling tree was a good idea. Wow, that Doug fir is a titan. I reckon it stretches nearly 70 feet long, and what a magnificent specimen. The sawmill itself is a marvel, operating with such seamless precision. I wish I could be there to witness it firsthand and inhale the scent of freshly cut lumber. This video is a true gem. Wrestling giants. Hauling these trembesis demands a seasoned pro, nerves of steel, and pure grit. Navigating that behemoth trunk through tight squeezes, it's a high-stakes ballet on wheels. Not just anyone can tame these beasts. Whoa, that's some seriously risky business. It takes guts, brains, and skills that most of us can only dream of. Hats off to him. Unbelievable. This tree's roots fought back against 2 John Deere tractors. Nature's power is awe-inspiring. But in the end, human ingenuity prevailed. We shaped the world around us. The Ponce Bear. C6, coupled with the H8 harvester head, represents a significant advancement in harvesting technology. Its adaptability to diverse terrain, coupled with the H8's exceptional cutting capacity, positions it as a leader in its class. Ponce's commitment to innovation is evident in this impressive machine. If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. We're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, So stay tuned for more mind-blowing machinery and epic feats. Until next time, keep it extreme.
निकाल निकाल बस ठीक है बिस्मिल्लाह करना देख के रही हूँ
वीडियो बनाई नहीं वीडियो
मेरी वीडियो बना जल्दी कर पकड़ ला इतनी पकड़ ला